This is the video for Milestone 3. So first I'll go through the shaders and then I'll walk through the pipeline for animation. So I'll start with the compute local shader. So here are the bones that come in A, and then the second one, and the results stored in, and the local result. And then here's the math that's been moved to the GPU. And for compute world, here's the setup for the inverse bone and the hierarchy table, and the result from the compute shader, and then the world matrix that comes out. So for the converting to world matrix, I use the hierarchy table. And then if I reach the hierarchy bone that's supposed to be the identity matrix, I didn't actually load in the identity matrix, so instead I just told it not to do anything. And after this, the world matrix is fed into the fragment shader. So here's the world matrix. There's the skinning from milestone 2. Then the light. Oh, and I also have the translation matrix in here so that I could do translation on the GPU. So that's the shaders. So yeah, now let's go through the pipeline. So we have our animation, and it sets the hierarchy, and then the hierarchy table, which is some pretty hacky code that goes through the bone array and the bone parents array and creates a table from that. There's probably a better way to do that, but that works for now. After the hierarchy table, I create the clips. And is there anything in there worth seeing? Oh yeah, so creating the clips is where the animation data is set, and then I have some hacks in here to show the humanoid walking animation and combining it with well, this shows the walk animation, and then this shows the run part of the humanoid animation from previous milestones. Anyway, so when we're setting the animation data, this is where the frames are stored on the GPU. So we set up the frame buckets, and then we copy the bones over from our imported file, and then each frame bucket has a SSBO, and then this is where it's binded. So back to the pipeline, initializing all the SSBO stuff. So then really after here, most of this rest is in update, which is here. Okay, so first process the first animation clip, then the second animation clip, and these are just running the local compute local shaders. So we have our frames, and then we run the local compute shader, and then this is the math that's now on the GPU from the shader we went over earlier. So here's the setup, and yeah, go back to animation. So first shader, second one, and then this is the logic for transitioning. If I'm doing the blending, then I'll transition. Otherwise, I will play a value of 1 or 0, which is animation clip 1 or clip 2. And then after that, I run the mixer, which which will play whatever blend value I put in. And this is the same thing as the logic from earlier, except for TS, that's the blend value. And after that, we run the compute world shader, which takes in the result from the mixer. And in graphics object skin color, here is where I find the result into the vertex shader. And then, is there anything else before demo? I think that's it. Okay, so now let's play. So here we have the walking on Human and Teddy, and I'm going to press a key to do the blend. B key for one of the clips, and A key for the other. So that was A, now Human was running and Teddy's idle. And I can go back and forth. So back to walking, clip 1, clip 2. So I'll just do that a couple times so you can catch the blending. Yeah. And there's the no memory leak part, past the memory tracking. And was there anything else that we didn't show yet? There was lighting, yes. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you.